remote host. And we go ahead and set up TLS. So it's the CA cert file is etc. OpenVPN ca.cert. Then we need the cert file, not the cart file, is etc. OpenVPN, and it's client router 2 cert. The last one is a key. Let's commit that. Okay, now let's have a look to see. Okay, so we can see there we've got our vTun up. Let's ping 10.168.2. Cool. So there we have our interface up, and if we ping 1, which is actually across the other side, it'll work. Let's try back the other way. Something would be very screwy if this didn't work. 10.168.100.1. That's my one. That's the other end. Good. So we have now got a tunnel up from here to here. Now, what's the next stage? Well, the next stage at the moment is that the OpenVPN process knows about 192.168.100.0, but the kernel stroke Vyatta isn't shoving packets to it yet. So that's what we need to do. We need to do a rule so that packets destined for something like that get pushed down the vTun interface. And how are we going to do that? Well, we're going to do this via an interface route. So set protocol static interface route is 192.168.100.0/24. Next hop is vTun0. We're going to commit that, and then we're going to see if we can ping across. So 1 works, 2 doesn't work yet, but certainly 1 works. So at the moment we have it going from here all the way through and pinging there. Let's save that. Okay, so it pings here at the moment, yet it doesn't ping there. Now, or it does ping there. One thing to look out for when you're looking at this particular host over here is whether it's got any IP addresses on the other network. Obviously, if it's got multiple default routes or something, then it's probably going to pick those. For example, if this particular machine is getting an IP address from this network, then when you send your ping through, it's going to try and source it from this line instead of going back out the way that it came. So that's one thing certainly to look out for. Okay, so now at the moment, if we ping here, we have end-to-end connectivity. Now, how about here? Have we got connectivity from here? No, network is unreachable. So how are we going to get this box here to know about this network over here that's configured over here as a static route? Okay, well, how about you do a little bit of OSPF? If we do OSPF from here to here and tell it to redistribute static, then the static route will be injected into here, and then this client will know about it when it connects. Let's do that. Okay, so from router 1's perspective, we want to do a set protocols OSPF,